Okay, welcome to a class on future plans, so future tense, but we use present continuous for future plans, especially plans with friends and family, and especially plans for this week and next month. I think when it's 2 years in the future, 3 years in the future, we don't usually use present continuous for plans. We usually use going to for plans that are far in the future, and present continuous for personal plans with friends and family that are near future. Okay? Now, how do we make present continuous and how do we make going to in a sentence? Let's use the verb meet and have a look. So we say, I am meeting, we are meeting, he is meeting someone. And I want you to know that we use someone in positive sentences. Yes, someone, something, somewhere. We use someone in positive sentences, but we use anyone, or somebody. I should write somebody. But we use anyone, anybody, anything, anywhere in negatives and questions. Okay, so I'm meeting someone, we're meeting someone, he's meeting someone. Present continuous with meet, positive. Negative, they aren't meeting anyone. Yeah, they aren't meeting anyone at the pub, they aren't meeting anyone in the town centre. She isn't meeting anyone after work. Yeah, anyone because negative. And question, are you meeting anyone tonight? Yeah, is he meeting anyone after work? Okay, so anyone because question or negative. Someone when it's positive. Okay, and going to is not very difficult. I'm going to meet, going to and infinitive. Yeah, going to and infinitive. It means the first form of the verb. It means do, go, play, have, watch, see, study. So I'm going to see, I'm going to watch, I'm going to study. We're going to meet. They aren't going to meet anyone. Yeah, maybe it's anyone. I'm going to meet someone. They aren't going to meet anyone. Are you going to meet anyone after work? Yeah, so going to plus infinitive. Are you going to see anyone after work? Okay, that's how we make present continuous, and that's how we make going to. So I'm going to ask you all these questions, yeah, and you're going to answer all these questions. Okay, and remember, in positive use someone, something, somewhere, somebody, but in negative or questions use anyone, anybody, anything, anywhere. So I'm going to ask you this in present continuous because this is very soon, isn't it? After this lesson is very soon. So what are you doing after this lesson? What are you doing after this lesson? Do you have any plans with friends and family? Do you have any plans with your best friend, with your wife, with your husband, with your girlfriend? Do you have any plans? Let me write this in blue. Do you have any plans? Remember, question in present simple. Do you have any plans? And remember, have plans is a stative verb. That's why this is do you, present simple. But this is present continuous. What are you doing after the lesson? Yeah, present continuous for plans with friends and family, and it's soon, isn't it? After the lesson is quite soon. Yeah, use present continuous for future plans for next week, next month, maybe in 2 or 3 months, but not really next year. Okay, so do you have any plans? Are you seeing anybody? Are you meeting anybody? Yeah, are you meeting anybody after this lesson? Are you seeing anybody after this lesson? And remember, are you seeing or meeting anybody after the lesson? Remember that with see,